What a haircut. But I haven't had a shower, so we now have an air compressor. Gives a little air shower. Road to V8, we're back on this. I am kind of regretting setting this deadline so tight.
Better get it done though.
Last episode, we spent ages on the engine. I'm a bit bored of it, so we're gonna take a little break and we have some stuff to do to the actual car itself. First thing, this car is missing brakes. So we've got everything brand new. We've got the suspension, dust shields, hubs, but yeah, we never got around to doing the brakes. We need calipers, pads, discs. We have teamed up with eBay for this episode and used their assured fit to make sure we got loads of brakes for this. So we're gonna get all the new parts out in a minute, but first we have old calipers that need a little bit of a spruce up. I wanted to keep these are the original fronts. It's a little BMW, and because the rest of the car is mint and these are not, we're just gonna give them a bit of a
Little spit and shine.
quick clean, get all the excess off. I mean, this isn't necessary, we just kind of want to make it look nice, so. Quick little lick of silver. Yeah, looking good. We got a big old box of stuff. This is all the brakes we need. We partnered up with eBay to help us find these parts. I used assured fit, which is basically, how would you explain it?
It's basically just like where you add your reg and then all the car parts that come up are for your specific car, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. And then also, if they don't fit, then you get your money back. You can return it for free. So, we know these are gonna fit, thanks to eBay. We're gonna wait for the calipers to dry, and then we're gonna do the fronts first. Pads, front and rear. Oh, fast. Oh yeah.
Drilled and grooved.
Gone for goth spec.
Apparently so.
So we got fronts, pads, rears, pads. So for these, I just typed in E36 disc brakes, and then these popped up. Ordered them, came within 2 days. And now we have nice disc brakes all round, and they're guaranteed to fit. And if they don't, where are they going?
Back for free.
That's it. Step one, uno, disc brake. We've got a grub screw hole, so that's how you know where it goes. Freshly painted carriers. So that is going to bolt on the back. So there's 2 holes on the hub, and then that's basically going to go into the back of there, like that. All right, we have the caliper. Put the pad in. Monsieur. Lovely. Like that. All right, and then we just need the 2 sliding pins to go in the back. That is a good looking setup, isn't it? Last thing to go is the retaining clip, which we just painted. Like that. Front right done. On to L passenger. This is the winner of the hoodie from last giveaway. This video, giving away a triple pack of socks. If you want to win this, just drop a comment down below. Comment where the first place we should take this when it's done. Where should we road trip to? Down below, leave a comment. I'll pick a random winner to win these. Just a singular finger.
Oh my God, you can just do it rapid.
Get another.
Yeah, I'm going to do 5 in a row. Ka-dunk, ka-dunk, ka-dunk. Oh, that is amazing. There's going to be fingers everywhere.
Next step, the rear brakes. And we're going to do everyone's least favourite job.
Handbrakes.
Handbrakes. No one likes handbrakes. No one likes fitting handbrakes. No one knows how to do handbrakes, do they?
No.
I'm convinced. They're just a pile of mess and springs and just, I hate them. You've got this adjuster. You've got, this is where the handbrake cable goes in. You've got a couple of springs and you've got a couple of pads. I'm not going to lie, we watched a video on YouTube on how to do this, didn't we?
Yep.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put a spring on there, we're going to put that on there, and we're going to put that on there, and then we're going to put it in the car.
Easy as that.
Yep, come on, let's do it. Handbrake shoe on. Springs on. Your handbrake cable's back here, and then when you pull that, it pulls that, which then spreads these apart, which puts your handbrake on.
Where she come from, where she go, where she come from, 60mm spanner. Works really well.
Let me put some bit of grease in here for the pads. And then last, my calipers are broken, so I had to buy new ones. So, we got a brand new caliper. So this was, again, eBay short fit. Just type in E36 rear caliper, and I just made sure it was, my reg was typed in, and this has arrived. You might have seen on eBay's channel, we did a video with them. They came down and filmed for the day, and we did a little video on the Cupra, and we fitted some parts using a short fit, and we also did a little garage check unit tour thing. So there's a video of that somewhere, description.
Goes in there like that. Lovely stuff.
We're not done yet with the brakes because we've got to do a bit of extra brake lines. We've got to run some in the front and bleed it all. So we're not going to do that now, but we have got discs, pads, calipers, all round. This is our Road to V8 list. This is everything we can think of so far. Kia. Done. So basically, Road to V8, we got to get it on the road. So right down the bottom is MOT. Could you say fitting brakes for an MOT is jumping the gun a bit?
Yes.
Did we do it anyway?
Yes.
Exactly. Right, you know I said we bought a parts car? These manifolds were on said parts car. So we now have 4 manifolds because we've obviously got our set as well. But he's already done the cut and weld job. So do these fit? We're not sure. We're going to fit them now.
I think they do.
How many did I buy?
Hopefully enough. I am eyeing these up.
That could be a thumbnail right there. Nice.
Right then. Which side in?
No idea. What's the joke?
Which one? What do you call a...
What do you call a blind deer?
No idea. What do you call a deer with no eyes and no legs? Still no idea. What do you call a chicken with some lettuce over his eyes?
What?
Chicken Caesar salad. Keep that one. Rest of the ones are too naughty to be on camera.
What did a skunk say to the deer?
No.
Someone will know that one.
Lovely. Left.
That is the left bank done. That is also the right bank done. Manifolds on these engines are like a proper limiting factor because the flow is like really bad inside them. It's like not straight, doesn't go, you know what I mean? You can get custom ones made, but it costs a lot of money and it takes a lot of time, and I'd rather just get this on the road first. So if we ever want more power, we can do manifolds. All right, so we've got engine mount, poly engine mount bolts. Engine mount's on. Next one is this little pulley. Pulley?
Tab thing.
This is basically for the engine crane. This is just for a chain to go around it. And then we can get it off the engine stand and do the rear main seal, which is this puppy here. Oh, this is a big moment.
It is, isn't it?
Chocks away. So down here, that ring is the rear main seal. And if that goes, it's basically a pig to do. So whilst we're here, we thought we might as well do it. Oh, wow. You actually snapped it.
Yeah.
There you go. Old rear main.
What?
Dipping your finger in the forbidden pot.
Oh, my gosh.
We haven't got any Loctite. I lent Stu my Loctite and he'll be in bed because it's late. And I'm not installing a flywheel without Loctite. So, we're gonna have to save that for next episode. At least we can tick off rear main, engine mounts, and exhaust manifolds. Right, I'm gonna pick one more thing to do. Steering column. So, one of the problems with a V8 swap is the standard E36 steering column. So that there attaches to your steering column and goes to your steering wheel, and then that goes to your steering rack. So that's how they talk to each other. This is too big to fit the engine, it hits, it doesn't work. We've got to get this off, but it's easier if you can loosen the steering rack. So that rack moves now. Off. In this tube here, I've got a modified steering column. Hopefully, I bought it 2 years ago, never opened it. So, let's find out if it works. That is lovely. That is a nice piece. Difference. It's basically this big bulbous bit that stops the engine going in. So, skinny going in. And then that is just a pinch bolt, and that'll stop it coming off. Done. One more job, because it's an easy one. Bosch OEM. Found these with eBay Assured Fit. All you got to do, make sure your reg is in, type in windscreen wipers, and it will come up. So I think one of the main points of the Assured Fit is to basically build a bit more trust between like sellers and buyers. Especially with car parts, it sucks when you get the wrong thing turn up. So Assured Fit is just good because you can always trust it. Beautiful. Also, another thing needed for the MOT, which we are going to get, hopefully in the next 2 months. Lovely. Steering column. Done. Did I put windscreen wipers? Yeah, I did. In the next episode, we're getting that engine in. We're going to do gearbox on, engine in the car, and then next video, the engine's going in. And if that wiring loom works, we should get the first start up. Thank you very much for watching. Huge shout out to eBay for sponsoring this video. And yeah, just make sure you check out the Assured Fit. Enter your reg in, find the right MOT part for the right price. And if it doesn't fit, you can return it free within 30 days. It's a no-brainer. It makes everything a lot easier. I'm going to get some food because I'm hungry. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment down below when you win those socks, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.